Hi, third graders. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the cursive letter P. For the cursive letter P, there are that's kind of like 2.5 steps. So you start at the dotted line. You do not start at the bottom. You start at the dotted line and you start by making a little curve up. It kind of looks like a skateboard ramp. So you're going to make that up. And then step 2, without picking up your pencil, after you do step 1, step 2 is to go down. And then kind of the half step is to trace that back up and then make your regular loop on the P in like that. Now with the capital letter P, to go to your next letter, you will pick up your pen. So if it was like pen, the word pen, I would do my capital letter P if it was at the beginning of the sentence, and then do my lowercase e into my N like that. So just something to keep in mind when you get down to the bottom, you will pick up your pen for this one in between the other letters. So let me show you the capital P a couple more times here. Start at the dotted line, going up to the top, go down to the bottom, trace that back up. I'm not picking up my pen while I'm making the letter. You just go in like that. So your little skateboard ramp, all the way down to the bottom, trace back up to the top, and then make your normal P loop. You will notice it's not showing very well because I'm not using a pencil, but make sure that you have a little gap here. They had it in the examples too, so make sure that you have this little gap right there. These ones I kind of traced a little too high up before I started making my loop away from it. So make sure that you have that gap there. So go to the end of the first row and show your teacher just to check and make sure that you're doing it correctly. And then you can finish up your top section here once they tell you that you have done enough of them correctly on the top. Once you finish up that whole top section on these ones, you need to circle what is wrong. So for instance, this one does not touch the dotted line here, so it should be like that. I like to kind of correct it and show how it should be in there. So fix these 3 by just circling what is incorrect about them. And then when we move down to the bottom, you need to figure out what is wrong with these sentences. So thinking about that first sentence, what is it that you think is wrong with it? It's supposed to say parrots live long. For sure it needs a period. And then I'm going to leave it to you. One of these, there's something else wrong in that sentence. What else is wrong with that? You could use your dictionary maybe. Make sure that your words are spelled correctly. Hint, hint. And then rewrite it on the sentence down below. The next one is parakeets can bite. Parakeets can bite. Now this one, I'll leave one of them for you to find. Also remembering this is a complete sentence. It has a period at the end. What this one does not need is it doesn't need an apostrophe. So your T should go straight into your S. Your S will not be over here and you will not have an apostrophe. So find that other mistake in the second sentence and then rewrite it down below. Good luck with your capital P.